Hello viewers, welcome back to another brand new video in our channel Health and Wellness. So without any further talk, let's jump into the video. Best Yohimbe supplement. Watch till the end of the video to know our editor's choice. It will be the best one for you. Number 4. Ivoganisa Yohimbe. It's high-quality Yohimbe supplement. It will reduce belly fat, boost energy, and it's really affordable to everyone. Number 3. Away Naturals Yohimbe Plus. It's organic Yohimbe softgel supplement. It will boost stamina and energy, helps in weight loss, and it has convenient pill case. Number 2. Bulk supplement Yohimbe extract. It's high-quality Yohimbe supplement. It's stamina and strength booster, aids in mood health, and it's really great for male health. Number 1. Herbal Terra LLC Yohimbe. It's natural Yohimbe liquid extract. It's very effective to everyone. It has good taste and smell, and it's fat burner. And last of all, editor's choice. Jacked Factory Yohimbe capsule. It is great quality supplement for fat loss and energy boosting, and in this one you can get most of the benefits of above Yohimbe supplement. So without any further thinking, check the link in the description below to get any of these products. That's all about this video. Leave a comment what you like or dislike about this video. If you don't even subscribe our channel, then make sure you subscribe us. And if you are already a subscriber of our channel, then thank you so much. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.